Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. I'm recording this in mid-April, but I had some coins I wasn't able to get into the Christmas videos last year. So I'm recording this now well in advance, ready for Christmas 2022. These are Gibraltar coins. This first one is the 2020 coin, 2022 pound coin. These are both exactly the same coin. It's a £2. It has the JC portrait on the front, and then on the side it's one of two coins that was issued in 2020. It was the one with the Santa Claus being dragged around by the deer. So the deer's going across the top round and Santa's on the sleigh. The same coin was also on the 50p, and there's the 50p version of it. Santa on his sleigh and the deer's been travelling around. Now all three of these coins were issued, as I said, in 2020. For a long time, people who collected coins had a great deal of difficulty picking these coins up. They ran out of the first lot of mintage very quickly, and the second batch was made or minted. Oh, excuse me. Oh, I don't know how long or how many were minted. We haven't yet received the figures, but I felt a bit cheated in a way, because they produced the same design on both coins, and really it would have been so easy for them to do two different coins, in my opinion. But then again, that's just my opinion. That's a 2020 set. This is a 2019 Christmas coin. Maybe we can get in a bit closer. This one's encapsulated, so I'm doing the best I can. I can't get the capsule open. And here's one that isn't in a capsule. Both exactly the same year. It shows Santa Claus in his full regalia, and you have a cat there at his feet, and his sack is, and the reindeers are in the background. You have reindeers going on both sides of the background. You have a cat by his foot, and it's a full-length portrait of him. This one is just an encapsulated version of this coin here. So there you go. I even have a third one from 2019 for some reason. I wonder if that means I'm going to have to find a way of taking that many down out of the way. Might give them away as prizes. 2018, I have two of that one as well. And it just shows Father Christmas in portrait format. He's got his sack on his back. Fantastic coin in many respects. I do like that. I do like this coin. So there's two from 2018. So we had 2018, 2019 and 2020. Guess what the next one is? Yeah, you guessed it. Or maybe not, 2017's. I do have a 2021 version, which I'm sure we've already shown you. We showed you last Christmas, I believe. The two coins from 2021. They're the ones with the minkies on, as Mr. Clouseau would say. It was the minkies. This one here has Santa Claus with bells either side, I think. Were they bells? Yeah, the bells. And then at the bottom, just underneath his beard, is 50, representing the 50p. And it's got Christmas across the top. Christmas going across the top of the coin. So we have a Father Christmas portrait. We have a second portrait of him. Let me just open this out a little bit. We have a second portrait of him, and the 2019. On 2018, on the 2019, we have a full-length portrait of him. Then in 2020, we had the first of the £2 and £2.50 duos. So that concludes this quick and easy review of two or 3 years of Christmas coins of Santa Claus from Gibraltar. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope that you think it's good enough to deserve the thumbs up from you. Whoops, let's get that going out. If you can give me the thumbs up, I would be absolutely delighted. And if you can see yourself clear to subscribing because you think I deserve it, then that would be absolutely brilliant. I am trying to grow the channel this year. All throughout this year I've been trying to grow the channel, as this will be going out towards Christmas time in 2022. Even though it is actually April when I'm recording it. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, wherever you're buying them from, I hope you can find the coins you want for the price that you want to pay. And finally, thank you for viewing the video right the way through, and I am doing 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you like and you want to watch. Also, if as I said, if you can, I would love you to come and join me as a subscriber and follow me through my journey through coins, banknotes and several other items that I deal with on this video channel, on this YouTube channel. And until we meet up again, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you very much, and bye bye. Ta-da now. Bye bye.